We've talked about reference variables, and we said they are variables that hold the memory address of an object. To explain this a little bit, think of houses. One way or one thing we can say about one house is that look for this white house. It's in this particular address. It's at this particular location. And so we can see the white house at Dulaney Street, the yellow house at 123 Spencer Avenue. We can see the green house at so-and-so location. What we're doing is essentially saying we have an address where we can find these houses. And that's what the reference variable refers to. It's pointing to that address, not to the object itself, but to that address. And so today we want to look at something a little bit different. Not too different, but still in the concept of this object orientation that we've been talking about. And we want to look at instantiation. What does this word even mean? So think of it like this. All computers have memory, and all memories have their addresses. And so when we say new house white, new house yellow, new house green, essentially what that does is to create these objects for us based on the parameters, the arguments that are passed in. And now these objects are then stored in the computer memory. This here is what we know as instantiation. So the key word here to create an instance of a class is the new keyword. So the new keyword helps us to create this object. And this is what we know as instantiation. So when we say we are creating an instance, or we have an instance of a class, what we're saying is that we're creating this object. And the way to do that is by saying new. So once we see the keyword new, we know that we are creating an object. And so new house white does this, creates the object and stores it in the computer memory. This here is instantiation. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.